Here's how you can make edible chocolate chip cookie dough. Since raw flour has the potential to contain E. coli, you need to heat treat the flour before you can use it. We did a big batch of 3 cups of flour, then baked at 350 for about 7 minutes. After it comes out of the oven, check the temperature to make sure it's above 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Your flour needs to cool completely before you make the dough. In a large bowl, cream together unsalted butter with brown sugar and a little salt using an electric mixer. If you don't have an electric mixer, that's okay, your arm just might get a bit of a workout. Next, add vanilla extract followed by a little bit of milk. Then whip again until it's light and fluffy. Now it's time to add 1 cup of heat-treated flour a couple tablespoons at a time and mixing in between. It's a good idea to sift the flour before you add it because the heat treating process can form lumps. Finally, pour in your chocolate chips and use a rubber spatula to stir it in. You can easily cut this recipe in half for a smaller portion or save the extra in the fridge for up to 3 days.